Welcome to Mrs. Beauchesne's Art Room. In this video, we are going to learn how to create paper sculptures. You will need paper, scissors, and glue. The first couple strips I'm going to make a zigzag pattern. I'm going to take my strip and fold it forward and then flip it over and fold it forward again, back and forth until I have a zigzag all the way through the paper. Now I'm going to put a dot of glue at each end of the paper and glue it down for about 10 seconds. For my next couple strips, I'm going to add glue to my base and glue on the strips, making a loop and holding it down for about 10 seconds. For the next two, I'm just going to take the strip and roll it all the way up and glue it down onto my paper. Lastly, I'm just going to make loops on my paper by gluing down both ends. Now that you know how to make all of the strips into a different design, you may go ahead and add as many as you can to your paper. Happy creating! Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel at Mrs. Beauchesne's Art Room to check out more videos.